I can jump 40 feet. I'm sure I survived with this. Look at the view! Oh my god!
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. A drink so baby, for me, cause I've been the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't.
So finally, we arrived here in Eden Park. And this is how it looked like. That one is the reception area. And so this is the park rules on food and beverage, on cleanliness, on safety. So we're going to ask them how much pila ang entrance. So this is the option.
Package is 600 with buffet lunch niyan siya. And then sa bata ages from 4 to 10, 400 per head siya po. Other activities, other package naman yung plated snacks na 200 sa adult, 280 sa adult, 230 sa bata. And then fishing package, 400 sa adult, and then 300 sa bata. It's a consumable po yun siya.
So can I have this one? Before I'm going to show you around here and what they offer here is we're gonna talk about how to come here in Eden Nature Park. So how to commute? I don't know. I don't know how to commute, but I will put here in the description below how to go here. But when you are renting, the travel time, it takes 1.5 hours from Davao City to Eden Park. Then if you're gonna rent a taxi, which is I really advise to do, is the taxi, it costs 1,000. So this is the room. This one is good only for 2. Why you're so pretty today? So very clean. The room is very clean. Have a shower. Also have a heater. Pilay cost ani nga room, guys?
1,000, good for 5 person, free buffet lunch and use of their car for 2 hours.
Include to this.
And this room.
Are you single?
No.
I really want to stay here. Look. Look at the trees, so beautiful. So have a playground for the kids, just in case that you have kids. Look at that. Look at these amazing trees. Have a hole there. Look, it's not a hole. I don't know what kind of tree it is. Wow. This one too. And the restaurant. So if you are coming here as a family and you have a kids, I'm sure your kids would gonna love this place. And if you are dating right now, I will still recommend this place because this place is kind of romantic. So this is the fishing area. So that's it. There's no fish. So the rule is if you catch the fish there, it's not allowed that you're gonna return it. You need to pay it. And the catfish costs 350 per kilo. So as much as I want to try to catch there, I can't it because I don't want to buy a fish right now. So bye-bye te, salamat! So this is the entrance of Eden Nature Park Resort, Davao. So this is the road going back to Davao, and this place is the going to the ride sites. So from the entrance of Eden, you're gonna walk at least 2 to 3 minutes going to the entrance of the rides entrance too. So can you hear that one, guys? You hear it already that someone is shouting. So I guess later I'm going to shout too. And this is the first time that I'm going to do it alone. Usually I don't really do adventure if I am alone, but for now I want to do it myself. It because there is no one with me. The couple is still doing some shooting. Hello, wala ko nakapakay-resibo. So I told him that they can call the receptionist there if he has a doubt. It because I really forgot. So this is how it looked like here. Skyview Cafe, and that's the whole area. So now I'm going to buy a ticket for all my rides, for all the rides that I plan to ride. What I say makes sense. So Ali, Puping, Halo Halo, please pay for rides here. So it's here. So they offer us. So here is Sky. So I already brought ticket. It's a combo for good for one person, and it's for the bike and also for the zip line. So I remember when I tried that bike, it doesn't look scary when you just look at here, because the first time that I was taught that one, because I was mad to my companion that time, I just said that no, I don't like that because there is no thrilling of that one. But I was wrong. It because I almost passed out but only a few seconds, then I recovered at once. It because my companion that time is try to talk with me. I mean, while we are doing bicycle, we are talking, so it's make me not feel scared. So now I will do it alone. I don't want to, but for you guys, I will do it. So let's try. So first, you're gonna register here. It's a waiver. So before you can go there, you need to use the safety. Ano siya? It's awesome. Saan siya? Right. So now I'm ready, so I need to go there. Up, 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 up. So I didn't pay the swing yet, because I don't know if I will do it. Although I'm not scared of that one because I try it. The only rides that I am scared is the bicycle. It because, as I told you, I pass out for a few seconds when I do it the first time. So I hope that I will be okay.
Ma'am, isa ka lang, ma'am?
Opo.
No rides mo, ma'am?
Bicycle at saka ano.
Paper, ma'am, paper.
And guys, look at the view! Wow!
Kumbo kay ma'am.
Opo.
Ito kay ma'am. Dala kay gilingkod, ma'am.
Safety ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god, guys!
Sa likod siya, ma'am.
I'm really
Sa
scared.
likod yung PC, anak.
Oh, wait, wait. Ah! Oh my God, wait, wait. Isa, isa. Oh my God. Oh, isa, isa, isa. I hope I can make it. I still bring a garbage. Pwede ba, Tandre? Sa likod na eh.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my God, guys. I'm really scared. It's look like it's not scary, but it is. Oh my God. The scary part is when you are in this part, when you are in the center. Oh my God. Oh my God, I don't think I want to do it again. 2 minutes more and I will be there. If I can jump 40 feet, I'm sure I survive with this. All you need to do is don't look down so that you're gonna survive. You will not feel so scared. Oh my God. Why is this shaky? I guess I'm ready to the skydive. Seems like I've already conquered my fear of height. Okay, yes. Oh my God. Yay! I survived, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, I'm here. I'm here. Woo! I survived. Oh, solo flight, kuya. Woo! Oh my. Oh. Mag-bike pa ko padulong?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I asked him if I will bike. Dili na zipline?
Dili nga dito mag-start na. Combo yung ticket.
Oo.
Lapit kayo. Balikan mo dito sa sulit mo. Balikan.
Relax, Kuya B. Let me relax first. There's no water. So, you saw already my reaction coming here. So, this is the time that you're gonna see the view.
Every quarterly.
So I asked for safety if it's really safe, because I asked this one, so just in case that the one who ride this bicycle, it's very, you know, they feel scared and they're gonna jump up, so whatever it happened, this one can, you know, she or he will not fall down. So I asked how safe the wire is. They said that they change oil every quarterly. So gina check yun inyo paano dito, kuya. Oh, so they're gonna really check. Very good. So, okay, it's time for me to go back there and do a zipline again. I'm really scared. I'm really scared when I'm on my way here. I don't know why, but I just try to overcome my fear. I just try to set up my mind that okay, nothing will happen to me because it's safe. They already assured me that it's really safe, so I survived. So now it's time to do a zip line.
Dito tail, ma'am. Straight lang.
Oh my God.
Ano, tail, straight lang.
Isa.
3, ma'am. Harap dito, ma'am.
This one doesn't make me scared. Look at the view! Oh my God! Okay. Okay. Oh my God. This one doesn't make me scared. Doesn't. I survived. I guess I can travel and do adventure alone since I survived now. I'm going to be back there. Thank you. So I'm done there, and one thing that I didn't do when I was here and I really want it is to ride a horse. So I guess I'm going to try the horse, and maybe I will try the swing too. So see you there. I was thought that it's my turn to ride the horse, but there's still 6 person that who gonna ride first before me. So I decided that I'm going to try the swing. But I will not include that one to the video in YouTube. I will dedicate that video to my Patreon. So I didn't upload videos there. I mean, I only upload 1 video, I guess, or 2. Then now I decided, since I start doing an adventure, and this is my first adventures alone, so I'm going to try that swing to all my Patreon. And aside from that, guys, this is that I'm gonna tell you, I'm going to make a tutorial in Patreon. So see you there, guys, soon. So I was thought that it's not scary when I tried the swing. It because earlier I was thinking, I will not try this one. It because I already tried it and I know the feelings already, but no, I still scared. This is, I really want to ride the horse, and I'm so excited, and hopefully that, you know, that he will not ride with me or just let me, you know. I'm just hoping that he gonna allow me. So let's enjoy our ride, guys. Bata mang good, so I supposed to ride earlier, but I saw the kids, the 2 kids that very excited to ride the horse, so I just give way. I said that okay, just let them ride it first, then after them it's gonna be my turn. So have another kids again. So I said that okay, I'm gonna give way again. So after the 3rd one, have another kids again. Then I said that, oh, as much as I want to give way, but guy already text me where I am, so I need to ride it because I already buy a ticket. And riding a horse is really funny. I enjoy this one. How I wish I know how to ride this one alone. Kuya, pila nakaka-tuig diri nag dugay na? Pila mo sweldo? Pila nakakatuig diri? Pila nakakatuig diri? Oh my God! 1975, year 1975 when he start working here. And pila mong sweldo, kuya?
Basta diri na ko kahit nga porsyento na diri ma'am.
Pila mo porsyento?
30
30
pesos kada ride.
Oh, so every ride
30 pesos.
he has 30 pesos. So pila ka rides imong mabuhat sa isa ka adlaw, kuya?
Depende ma'am, magparehan.
Pag kusog
Ma'am may maka 20 mi ka ticket.
So if he is lucky, he can have 20 times 30, how much? 600 pesos. Okay, that's good enough. Oh my God, he has 12 kids, and some of their kids is working here in Eden Nature Park too. Oh my God, you know what? If my butt is so flat, I'm sure my bone is already damaged. Good thing is my butt still have a shape, still have muscles. Or else oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Princess! The name of the horse is Princess. Oh, careful with me. Please be careful. So, oops. Oh my God. So, before I'm going to end this vlog, I'm going to give you my opinion. What I like here in Eden is, aside from the nature, is the staff is really friendly. They're so accommodating. Plus, the service, guys, is really, really good.